We are back in the garage today to fix the air conditioning on this 2004 S500 4matic Mercedes. We'll be spending most of our time on the inside, so let's dive in. Let's pull the glove box. There's a couple Phillips here and here. Give you a closer look. There and there. Okay. Take a couple more Phillips. We've removed the screws from the glove box. Now I'm going to use a 5/16 on these two bolts on the underside. There's our bolt there. That goes right back in there when I reinstall it. Alright, so on that underside saw through here, we're going to shorten it a bit so we can pull the cover of the sound of the fan. That guy without hurting the other pieces here. Okay. Pull this guy back a little bit. And we have our piece. There we go. Okay. You can see we're getting some corrosion on this piece. That's another project for another day. Got our new blower from Parts Geek to replace our old one. Get a lot of our parts from there. We're going to take this control module off here and put it on our new fan. Okay. That'll snap right in place. That's pretty good. So that's the source of all that flooding there. Yes. Ooh. Here we go. It's working. Alright, the AC is back on. If you need to reset your system, let me show you how to do that. So you'll slide in here, hold your reset and your filter button. It'll search if there are any errors. If you have an error code, you'll open the auto, and then press the auto in and the auto in, and that'll reset
your AC and allow you to turn the AC button back. Now we'll put this back together and it'll be all set. Alright, well that was changing the fan for the AC for this Mercedes 2004 S500 4matic. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you again next time. Totally.